Hi, my name is Mavi Martinez. I'm PhD student in science at the University of Caldas in Colombia. The title of my poster is Immobilization of hyphae and exoenzymes of Pleurotus ostreatus with Montmorillonite in one pot. Preparation and characterization aspects. Steroid hormones are very dangerous and considered endocrine disruptors. Steroid hormones are used in endocrine treatments and as contraceptives. They reach the water through feces and urine and contaminate it. Steroid endocrine disruptors affect the endocrine system and are linked to disease such as obesity, asthma, and cancer. This material is composed for P. ostreatus fungus and Montmorillonite clay. The fungus releases the exoenzymes laccase and manganese peroxidase. Laccase and manganese peroxidase for efficient degradation of emerging contaminants in water bodies. Microremediation is a promising technology for environmental detoxification. The metabolic ability of fungi to degrade a wide range of contaminants make their application a promising strategy to mitigate environmental pollution. This material from MMT hybrid fungus is an alternative for wastewater treatments and contributes to sustainable development objectives. The preparation of the material consists of the ground of P. ostreatus in the presence of clay for 8 days. The material is filtered and the solid is used for absorption of the rotary desorption extraction disc for the extraction of steroid hormones. This material was characterized and the percent lowering efficient equation was used to confirm the immobilization of the enzymes. The detection of steroid hormone was developed in the gas chromatography, coupled to mass spectrometry. Objective: evaluate new hybrid biosorbent based on the immobilization of P. ostreatus biomass or its enzymatic exudase on Montmorillonite for the removal of steroid hormone from wastewater. Result and discussion. The change in the color of the mycelium in presence of MMT in the material reveals the spontaneous adhesion between them. The hybrid materials present white agglomerates on the surface of the fungus. However, the conservation of reliefs suggests that the deposition of MMT does not affect the shape of the filament. Same image shows the coexistence of the MMT with the fungus, with the presence of flakes along the mycelium in the MMT fungus hybrid material. This confirms the modification of the hyphae by the adhesion of MMT on their surface. Additionally, the EDS analysis of the particles observed in the seam of the hybrid material shows a greater amount of silicium and aluminum atoms with respect to the naked mushroom. Nitrogen absorption desorption isotherms, the type 4 isotherm of the MMT indicates that Absorption begins monomolecularly at the outer surface, and that as the pressure increases. Multiple absorption layers from the pores. The absorption distortion is obtained on the fungus is low and the hysteresis curve is almost imperceptible. This indicates that the gas is not trapped and suggests that the interaction between the gas and the pores of the fungus are weak. Surface area of the MMT fungus hybrid material is higher of the Pleurotus ostreatus. In the FTIR analysis of the MMT fungus hybrid material, the characteristic vibration of the functional groups of the precursor was observed. Is the fungus alive? The result obtained reveals that synergy of the mycelium with the clays favors the conservation of the fungus. Now, the question is, where are the enzymes? The enzymes are in the clay. Other authors have reported the ability to immobilize exoenzymes. The percent loading efficient demonstrates the immobilization of lac and manganese peroxidase exoenzymes on MMT, with percents higher than 97%. Conclusion: the brown color of the material pellets suggests a spontaneous binding of the MMT and the fungus. According to the literature, electrostatic or dipole-dipole interaction are involved in the hybrid materials. The hybrid material reveals itself as a novel absorptive phase for steroid hormone in extraction by absorption with a rotary index. Their chase efficiency percentage demonstrates the affinity of the laccase and manganese peroxidase enzymes with the class. From the surface morphological perspective, the hybrid material presents characteristics closer to MMT. The author thanks the VIP of the University of Caldas for the financial support.